Okay, good morning students, first PUC students. Today let us start the first PUC. Okay, first PUC chapter number 3, trigonometric functions. Okay, take notes and listen carefully. This is the PUC syllabus. Okay, the third chapter, trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. This is the weightage, heavy weightage. Totally the chapter totally 90 marks. 90 marks, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6, 11, 14, 16, 18, 19. 90 marks. The chapter 90 marks. Heavy weightage. 6 marks question, 5 marks question, 3 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks, 1 mark. Okay. So first radians to degrees. Already discussed radians to degrees. Relation between first relation between radian and degree. Relation between radian and degree. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians symbol, radian symbol. Pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi, 180 by pi degrees. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. So how to 1 radian, 1 can already discussed. Okay. Next, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Minute symbol 1 more. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. So 1 degree is equal to how many seconds? How many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60. 3600 seconds. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 60 minutes is equal to 3600 minutes. Okay. And convert into degrees, convert into radians. Into, for example, 5 by 3 radians. 5 by 3 radians equal to 5 by 3 into 1 radian. 5 by 3 radians is equal to 5 by 3 into 1 radian. 1 radian is equal to how many? 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 1 radian is equal to 180 by 5. 180 by 5. The 5 by cancel. 3 also 360. So totally 60 degrees. Totally 60 degrees. Let's see here. 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees is equal to what? 30 into 1 degree. 30 into 1 degree, 30 into 1 degree is equal to how many? 1 degree is equal to 5 by 180 radians. 3 ones 36. So 30 degrees is equal to 5 by 6 radians. So okay, draw the table. radians 30 degrees is equal to 5 by 6 radians. 45 degrees is equal to 5 by 4. Next, 60 degrees is equal to 5 by 3. 90 radians is equal to 5 by 20 degrees. Pi equal to 180 degrees. 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is equal to 270 degrees. 3 pi by 2 is equal to 270 degrees. Okay. Two pi is equal to 360 degrees. This one. Okay. Look at this and write down. Next one. Radian measure equal to radian measure is equal to 5 by 180. Radian measure radian measure. You want radian measure. If you want radian measure, if you want radian measure means what you have to given? Degree. So 5 by 180 into degree measure. 5 by 180 into degree measure. Degree measure equals to degree measure is equal to 180 by 5 into radian measure. So this is the circle, this is the radius 0, this is arc length L, radius R, angle theta. So arc length L is equal to R into theta. Theta is radians. Here theta in radians. So this is the first PUC. Start the first PUC. Okay. So all are important. All are important. So listen carefully. Okay, look at this. Okay, a small mistake is there, speakers. Once again I will repeat the starting from the starting. Today let us start the first PUC syllabus, third chapter, trigonometric functions, 19 marks, 6 marks, 5 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks, 1 mark. The relation between radian and degree already discussed. 1 pi radians is equal to 180 degrees, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180, 1 radian is equal to 1 degree is equal to. Okay. And examples, some more examples. Pi by 3 radians is equal to pi by 3 into 1 radian. 1 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi. And there are degrees convert into radians, or radians is converted into degrees. Draw the table. And finally this is the formula, one of the simple formula. What is the simple formula? Radian measure. If you want radian measure means already degree measure are given. Pi by 180 into degree measure equal to radian measure. 180 by pi into radian measure equal to the degree measure. In a circle, this is the center, this is radius, this is arc length L, angle theta. So arc length L is equal to R into theta. Here theta in radians. This is the from the starting explanation, because there is no sound, maybe sound is mute. Okay. Each and every one important. Okay, next. Exercise 3.1. The first one is find the radian measure to the following degree measure. Find the radian measure. Find the radian measure. Find the radian measure. Following degree measure. Following degree measure. This one first problem. Degree measure are given. Find the radian measure. Okay, which one is given? Degree measure given. Degree measure is given. Degree measure is given. Find the radian measure. So pi by 180 into. Okay, first one 25 degrees. First one 25 degrees. Second one minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. Third one 240 520 240 degrees. Fourth one 520 degrees. The first one is 25 degrees. 25 degrees. 25 degrees is equal to 25 into 1 degree. 25 into which one? Find radian measure. Radian measure is given degree pi by 180. Pi by 180. So 5 5s 5 3s 15 5 6 30. So 36 into 5. So 5 pi by 36. 5 pi by 36. This first one. The second one, no. Third one, note first. Third one, no. 240 degrees. 240 degrees is equal to 240 into pi by 180. So 6 4s 6 3s 6 4s 6 3s 3 1s 3 2s 6 4s 6 4s 6 3s. So 4 pi by 3 radians. So fourth one 520 homework ಮಾಡು. Okay, this is the homework. And second one is minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. 1 degree is okay. Below 1 degree means below 1 degree is converted into minutes. Below 1 degree 1 rupee. Below 1 rupee and 90 paisa. Below 1 rupee is converted into paisas. 90 paisa. Half rupee is 30 paisa. 50 paisa. Half rupee is equal to 50 paisa. That means below 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, 10 rupees, okay. But below 1 rupees, 90 paisa. That means 90 paisa means convert into rupees 100 by 90. Okay, this one is converted into below 1 rupee is converted into paisas. At the same way, below 1 degree is converted into minutes. Below 1 minute convert into seconds. For 60 minutes. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds is below 1 minute. Below 1 minute convert into seconds. Okay, that's why, for example, degree, how many degrees? Point degrees and below 1 degree convert into minutes. Below 1 minute convert into seconds. 45 seconds, 59 seconds. So listen carefully. The second problem, minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. అంటే minus 47.5 degrees. 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So, ఈ minus totally the bracket 47 plus 47 degrees plus 30 minutes. So, that is equal to minus 47 plus 30 minutes is equal to how many degrees? 30 minutes is equal to 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. So now 30 minutes is equal to 30 into 1 by 60, that is equal to 1 by 2 degree. 30 minutes is equal to what? 30 into 1 by 60. Listen carefully. This is box is explanation. Important one. So plus 1 by 2, 47 degrees plus this is also degrees. See, 30 minutes is equal to half degree, 1 by 2 degrees. So total degrees LCM 2, 47 into 2, 80, 94. 94 plus 1, that is equal to minus 95 by 2 degrees. Minus 95 by 2 degrees. Okay, these all are degrees. Okay, what we have to given? Radian measure. Find the radian measure. Now what you do? The point seconds, total seconds, degrees is converted in total degrees. This is the finally degrees. This is one. Finally degrees. So degree measure is equal to what is the radian measure? Radian measure is equal to what? Pi by 180 into degree measure. Okay na? So that is equal to minus 95 by 2. Minus 95 by 2 into which one? Pi by 180. We want radian measure. So the degree measure are given. So pi by 180 into pi by 180 into pi by 180. Any cancellation? 5 twos 8, 5 threes 5 5 ones 5 5 nines 19 5 36 80. So that is equal to finally minus 19 pi by 72 minus 47 degrees 30 minutes is equal to minus 19 pi by 72 radians. Once again I will explain. This is the degree, this is the minutes. Minutes also convert into degrees. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to what? 1 by 60 degrees. So 30 minutes is equal to 30 into 1 by 60, that is equal to half degree. This is the 47 plus of 95 by 2 degrees. These degrees is converted into radians. How to convert? The radian measure equal to the pi by 180 into degree measure. So into pi by 180 into degree, calculate minus 19 pi by 72 radians. This one. We will try one of the homework one. Convert 40 degrees 20 minutes into radian measure. Convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. We will try, we can try. Try compulsory. We'll do it because this is the first PUC. Compulsory. We have to do. Okay. This is the radian measure convert into degree measure convert into radian measure. Next one. Next. Second problem. Find the degree measures. Find the degree measures for the following. Radian measure. Radian measure are given, radian measures are given. You find the degree measure. The first one is pi by 16 minus 4, 11 by 16. Second one is minus 4. Third one is 5 pi by 3, 7 pi by 6. 5 pi by 3. Fourth one is 7 pi by 6. First, third one, solution, third one. 5 pi by 3 radians. 5 pi by 3 radians, simply 5 pi by 3 into 180 by pi. Pi cancel, 60, that is equal to 300 degrees. 300 degrees. 5 pi by 3 is equal to 300 degrees. That is pi by 180. This is 180 by pi. Pi cancel. So fourth one 7 pi by 6 homework madu. Next, first one is 11 pi by 6 radians, that is equal to 11 by 16 into 1 radian. So 11 by 16 into 1 radian means 180 by pi. Okay na? 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. So that is equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by pi means 22 by 7. Pi means 22 by 7. So 1 by 5 means 7 by 22. 11 ones, 11 twos, 2 ones, 2 90s. Okay. 2 8, 2 45s. 2 8, 2 45s. (45) into 7 by 8. 45 into 7. 7 5s 35. 7 4s 28. 315. That is equal to 315 by 8. That is equal to 315 by 8. This 315 by 8, 315 by 8 divide 8. 8 4s 32. 8 3s 24. 24 7 5. 8 9s 72. 3.0. 8 3s 24. 6 and 0. 8 7s and so on. This is the 90s and so on. So 39.375, that is equal to 39.375 up to 3 points. Point after 3 digits. Next 40. 40 means okay. This is 56 4. This is 40. 8 5s 40. 0. Remainder 0. This is the derivative. So this is 39. This is what? Radians. This is only converting degrees. This is degrees. Below 1 degree means 39.375 degrees. These are all degrees. This is also degrees. It is not correct because 39 degrees 39.375 is not correct. So, this 39 degrees okay. This 0.375 degrees. 0.375 degrees means below 1 degree. Below 1 degree is converting to minutes. So, that is equal to 39 degrees plus 0.375 degrees. So, 39 plus degrees is converting to minutes means into 60. 0.375 into 60 minutes. Into 60 minutes. Multiply 375 into 60. (375 60), this is 22.5 minutes. 3.75. Okay, for 30. Okay, 6 0 ordering. multiply 22.5. So 22.5 means what? 39 degrees, this is the degree, plus 22.5 minutes. 22.5 minutes means 22 minutes plus 0.5 minutes. 0.5 minutes means half minute. Half minute means how many seconds? Below 1 degree is converted into minutes, below 1 minute converted into seconds. So this is 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus how many minutes? 1 by 2 minutes. And 0.5 minutes. 0.5 minutes into convert into seconds, 0.5 into 60. So 39 plus 22 degrees, 22 minutes, 30 plus 30 seconds. Half minute. Half minute is equal to how many seconds? 30 seconds. This is finally 39 degrees, 22 minutes, 30 seconds. This is the answer of 11 by 60 radians. This minus 4 is homework. Tomorrow I will once again I will explain both. Okay, thank you.